Hey guys, welcome back to another video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Instagram reel is stuck at 0 views. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve the issue, just simply open your Instagram application. And now after opening the Instagram application, just simply go to your reel and check if your reel have all of the things that required to go viral. Now first thing that you should check is the hashtag. Your reel must include at least 10 hashtags and those hashtags must have to be relevant. And after that also tag the peoples which could help you to get more views. And even if after doing all that you will not get views, you should report the problem to Instagram. In order to do that, just simply go to your profile page, then click to this 3 bars in top, and from the 3 bars go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down to bottom. Then you will find this help option. Into help option, select this report a problem at top. From there click to report a problem into here. Then you will get this tab. Just simply write down my reel got stuck at 0 views into here, and then click to this send button. And after that Instagram officials will get your report and review that report. Then your problem will most likely be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.